I always prefer to make a limit order so that I can buy crypto on my expected price instead of buying on a market price. In order to place a limit order, we need to call its API. That API takes quantity and price as argument. Defining a callback, it calculates price and quantity based on our budget. So whenever our subscribed event has been published, we will get this callback function called from Redis. Similarly for sell, just the difference is we are going to call sell API instead of buy, but the logic will remain same.